Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and then we'll end it with Dogecoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin. So what's been happening for Bitcoin? To be honest, we've not been doing anything much. You can see that every time when there's a sell, there's buy, sell, slowly buying up, sell, and then there's a buy, and then it's like, yo, bro. Right. Again, wicks at the top means there's some selling happening. So right now you're seeing a dip coming on for Bitcoin. How much lower are we gonna go? I don't know. It's all higher lows, so you can pull support line across. And if we do keep retesting the support line, there is a chance that we could be breaking lower, right? But again, your best friend during the bull run would be the skinny pink line. So as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for Bitcoin, and we anticipate more upside. But to be honest, I would anticipate this to go to around 39k, and after that, some deeper than usual type of a correction, right? The deepest we went was around 8%, right? So we might, after hitting here, drop down, clear everybody up more than 8%, 14, 15%, right? Something like that. Again, I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, we are kind of, again, you can also assume that this is a double bearish divergence. Higher high on the price, but lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. So you could feel that weakness is coming on for Bitcoin. So there could be a retracement. Or this could already be it, right? I still suspect there's another move higher. So we'll see how it goes. We shall see how it goes. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Ethereum is still, again, we're in some sort of a potential consolidation. Again, we could be breaking out from here. This could be the very bottom of a C, right? A, B, down C, you get a D, E, and after that, we could be hitting higher. Something like that for FBTC. Again, we're not entirely sure, so we're going to have to proceed with caution because Ethereum against BTC could just zoop, drop down like that, right? And we could get an even bigger type of an A, B, C, D, E. You see that? This whole thing could already be a C by itself. Potentially. So we have to proceed with caution for Ethereum. We're still not entirely sure. Against USD, yeah, I know Ethereum has been slowly crawling its way up. Nothing too exciting yet. We're expecting potentially 2677. If we consolidate over here, we could continue towards the upside for 2677. If not, right, if we keep retesting the support, then there's a chance, again, we could be heading towards our 666 target. We've had this target since September 2022, 19th of September. So it's still valid at this point of time. Until we take out the head and shoulders, right, the right shoulder over here. Until we take this out, this is still a valid target, 666. So, but to be honest, we could also do something like this. Hit 2677, come back down to 666. Absolutely possible. So, yeah, we are, in the back of our mind, we are aware that there's the possibility of a pre-halving scare coming on, where the whales will sweep up all the liquidity around these areas, potentially, before heading higher, right? This is, to be honest, a rising channel, rising wage kind of a chart pattern. And rising wages usually zip lower. They break down lower, usually. So, could this be an exception? Of course. Of course, nothing is guaranteed in trading. BNB against BTC. Oh my god, BNB is not looking good. The reason being that BNB has already broken the support over here. We're heading towards... We have a fresh target out of the oven for you at around 4658. We're expecting it to drop about 20% more, I think 23%, 24%, more than 20% against BTC. So BNB is not going to be doing good for a while, and obviously we know the reason why. But again, there is a noisy area over here, so I think that it will act as a support of sorts. 4658, pum, we bounce up, something like that, possibly. So yeah, we are proceeding with caution for BNB, because I think there could be even more crazier downside for BNB USD, right? This whole thing could be a descending triangle. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. I mean, we can obviously kind of know the reason why this could be happening, right? Again, we still have our targets over here, 173 and 122. These are two valid targets, still valid, and we're anticipating the possibility of it heading towards 122. We can even zip down past 122, right? Zero support, absolute zero. Then we could be heading towards, like, I don't know, 45? Again, I hope not, I hope I'm wrong. I hope that we just start zipping back up above the skinny pink line. So the moment we're above the skinny pink line in a very bullish manner, then yeah, great. This will be awesome. But as it stands, yeah, no, it doesn't look that good. Not that good, bro. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. Yeah, so XRP already marked the clusters of stop sells over here. Right, this whole thing could also be something like a head and shoulders. You know, you can also consider this as a left shoulder head and a right shoulder in the making, right? So again, there could be a liquidity sweep around this area, heading towards the noisy area around over here, right? Potentially, before heading higher. So again, I'm expecting a dip for XRP BTC. If XRP dips, very likely Stellar is going to follow as well. XRP against USD, yeah, if the BTC pair dips, very likely we're going to dip on the USD pair as well, right? And we actually had targets at 16 cents, right? But we've already taken out the third mountain, mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3. We've already taken out the top of mountain number 3, right? It's here. With this move, we've taken it out, so we've invalidated all the downside targets over here for XRP. Anyway, this in itself is also a mountain range by itself. Holding could be left shoulder, head. It could be something like a right shoulder in the making. We could be heading lower as well, so we've been knocking on the skinny pink line for a few times. So I suspect something like this could happen, right? But if we do something like this, right, consolidate, go sideways for many months, and then yes, we could be heading higher from here, right? XRP could be doing a squeeze, a very big squeeze, where it breaks higher. Absolutely possible. So again, we're still waiting for more information first before committing into anything for XRP. Solana against BTC. Here we are for Solana. Solana has enjoyed a crazy week. Again, something like a squeeze over here. You can call this an ascending as well. All right, Three Valleys Palm broke out. Kind of overbought. So probably some sort of a consolidation first before continuing higher. All right, we might drop a bit lower towards the noisy area over here before continuing higher. Right. There's also the possibility we could just keep going higher and higher, right? Up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up. We could also consolidate and up as well. I'm just assuming it to be having a retrace because this is a noisy area. So we're kind of stuck at the noisy area. So yeah, probably another dip lower first before heading higher. Right. But I wouldn't expect Sol BTC to hit back under the skinny pink line. Because if we touch the skinny pink line, then things will be switching bearish again. So be very careful, boys and girls. Be very, very careful. Again, Sol USD is also out of the skinny pink line. We are above it. So we anticipate the bullish trend to continue for Sol USD. I'm going to assume this is a 1 down for 2. Right? We're in subwaves 1, 2, 3. Probably a 4 and then a 5 up. So this whole thing could be a wave 2. Anticipating a wave 4 to come. Or this whole thing could already be the wave 4 in the making. Again, we're not entirely sure. So again, we want to have more information first before committing to anything. But I would expect Sol to head back towards triple digits. We're already at 56. So it's less than 100% away from where we are. Again, I still anticipate the possibility of some support over here at the noisy area, around 42 maybe. And after that, pump, we head back higher. That's the expectation. Will we? Won't we? We're going to have to wait and see. We shall wait and see how it goes. ADA against BTC. Here we are for ADA. ADA is also in some sort of a consolidation. I suspect ADA could be coming back down. This whole thing could be a bullish reversal in the making. Right. A, B, C, D, E. Pump. Breakout. Yes? No? Again, we're not entirely sure. Could it zip up from here? Of course. Of course. But yeah, not much information yet. But I would anticipate this to already be the bottom potentially. So it depends upon how volatile this dip, or if we're not going to get a dip, how volatile it is towards the upside, right? If it's very volatile, then yeah, great. Something like this. Woohoo! It will be awesome. So we want to see this, right? So yeah, this could be this. You see, there could be a dip coming on. So we're anticipating a dip. So we'll see how it goes also. But ADA USD looks good. You know why? Because we're above the skinny pink line. Ta-da! So the bullish trend is already on. We're already biased bullish for ADA. We're hoping to get something like an inverse head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder, we got a head, and then a right shoulder. Woo-hoo. This will be awesome. Right, we have to consolidate for a little while though. For a few months will be awesome. December, January, and then February. Boom, we go ballistic. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Again, we're not entirely sure. We could also just dip back down. So yeah, we're not entirely sure for ADA. Right. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin keeps dropping lower and lower. Slowly crawls down and then consolidates a little bit. Boom! After that, drops for down. Maybe you consolidate a little bit. Boom! And then after that, we could be going lower. Right? Again, there is support over here. But still a long way down, right? There's already a double bullish divergence over here. Lower low on the price, but higher low on MACD, higher low on the RSI. So there could be strength coming on for Dogecoin. Not entirely sure, but yeah, we'll have to proceed with caution though. We're not entirely sure. Right, Dogecoin is kind of mucking around at the skinny pink line. So if we could decisively break towards the upside, form a very nice resistance line over here, that would be the best bullish case for Dogecoin. We still need to see a retrace, but this retrace must be above the skinny pink line. So if we stay above the skinny pink line, then yes, great. Dogecoin could be continuing higher. So, we shall see. We shall see how it goes. But again, at the same time, this is also a descending triangle. A gigantic one, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2. Boom. Woo-hoo. We have two targets over here though, 2.7 and 2.2. It's still valid, right? Take out these highs, I will consider it as invalid. But until that happens, it's still a valid two targets. So we'll adapt and we will see how it goes. But this is still danger, right? Because there's a very clear, you see this clear support line over here that could be broken anytime. Once we break it, we will sweep up all of the lows over here, which could pull the price back towards the support line, which is not good. We don't want to see that happen. We want to go far away from the support line. We'll see how it goes, right? Still too early, in my opinion. So, yeah, there we go. That's my take. Things are still a little bit, uncertain, right? If you look at the past 7 days, it's just been kind of nothing much, not much movements. So be careful. There could be a reversal. But of course, if we continue higher, then that's great. But there are many other altcoins that are already pointing towards the upside, right? We've gone through it throughout the week and throughout all the past weeks. You would know which are the coins, right? Atlas is doing very well. Anyway, I guess that's it for today's top 10 crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.